Hello, I'm Paulene Meehan. I'm the quality manager here in Terex Ballymoney. We have a small team of quality engineers serving the shop floor from machine shop through to final assembly. I served my time as an apprentice fabrication welding engineer quite a long time ago, and I was the first woman in the UK to serve an engineering apprenticeship. So there are roles here in Terex Ballymoney for everyone. I am proud to work for Terex Ballymoney, and I look forward to you joining us here.
My name is Joel Carson. I worked in a local bus manufacturer for over 20 years in their after sales department, where I was a team lead. I have now been part of Terex for over 2 years, and I've received training in goods in and supermarket kitting team. I'm extremely happy in my role here and enjoy the fact I have a good work-life balance. I have good start time and finish times, and I have a good opportunity to work overtime when I want to work it.
Hi, I'm John Boyd, Material Manager and Dispatch here at Terex Ballymoney. I look after all the material movement, material flow on site, from the weld halls to our dispatch outgoing to our sister companies Dungannon, Oma and Campsie. My team kit and supply over 200 kits per week for 130 employees. Our goods in team receive over 120 deliveries of our purchased items. We are a fast-paced company with great in-house opportunities and progression. We offer a good, clean, friendly work environment with uniforms provided. The company's potential and new growth has never looked better. We've new cut machines in, we've new HGV lorries in, we're looking material handlers, we're looking HGV drivers, forklift drivers and combi drivers. Come join us on this exciting journey in Ballymoney, creating and sustaining local jobs.